Good morning, everyone. Hope we're all doing good today. So I'm looking at YM, as you can see, YM, and then I'm looking at Russell. We are bouncing from fair value gaps here on Russell and YM. YM, we just inversed this fair value gap. So my bias on the day is bullish. I am bullish on the day. So I'm only looking for bullish setups unless proven otherwise. So you can see on the daily as well, we are tapping back into a previous fair value gap. You can see here, previous daily fair value gap. We are bouncing from it. So bias on the day is bullish. So let's see what we can get here. Dial to the 1 minute. I'm looking for specific things to happen in order for me to take the trade. So again, bias is bullish. Let's take a look at Russell. Same bias, bullish bias on Russell. We do have all these up here. Looking at this right here. See if price wants to do something with this. It's creating 5-minute fair value gap, so I'm just waiting for a tap back into it. Continuation, possibly. Let us just see what happens. We have this 5-minute fair value gap that price created on YM. See how price wants to react in that. We also have this 5-minute fair value gap that Russell created. So let's see what price wants to do in those fair value gaps. If I see something I like, I'm sniping. So right now, I'm simply just waiting for a retracement back into said iFVG right here. And then if we get a nice bounce from that, I'm looking to capitalize off of that. So I'm looking for something like maybe something like this. Retrace back into that, and boom. Something like that. Let's see if we can get a retracement and then get like the iFVG as the entry signal. And we can take that to the upside. Again, news at 10 o'clock. Yep. News is at 10 o'clock. But honestly, if I get the entry before 10 o'clock, probably gonna take that. How many trades if SL? I only try to take no more than 2 trades per day. So first trade hits SL and second trade hits SL. I'm done for the day, or I'm supposed to be done for the day. So 2 trades per day and I'm done. If I take 1 trade and it wins, I'm done for the day as well. I'm not seeing what I want to see, man. So I'm just going to continue waiting. Again, news is at 10 o'clock. So we might get a move at 10 o'clock. You know, YM is just pushing up so aggressively. It's not giving us any entry signals here. So we continue to wait. I want to see this trade back into this 5-minute FVG. And then possible bounce from there. It will be nice. We do have a few FVGs that YM can trade into. We have this here. Again, we're waiting for a trade back into one of these 5 minutes. This or this, because I am bullish on the day still. This is what the Russell trade will look like. You feel me? Trade back in there, take out those lows, tap into the 5-minute. You feel what I'm saying? A lick. Grab that lick. And we're in there. Give us an iFVG back to the upside. We're in there. Let's get it. Let's get it. There we go. There's the dump I was looking for. Trade into this first 5-minute. Again, I do prefer Russell, but let's look at YM as well. Really, with YM, I really would prefer the last 5 minutes to get traded into, if possible. Like that last one right here, this one. I would prefer that. But you know, sometimes prices does whatever it wants to do. Warm greetings from Australia. What's up? What's up? People from all over the world. What is up, y'all? What is up? What is up? What is up? Sink straight into that FVG. Get on iFVG as a confirmation. As long as we're sweeping those lows, it's nice. It's a nice confirmation. And we take that to the upside. We ride it to the upside. We're bouncing from that 5. Do see this on YM. This fair value gap. Oh, it's not a, well, yeah, it's a fair value gap for now. So let's mark that out. We're just waiting to see. Oh, no, not that. This. Okay, yeah, yep. Now we're trading deeper into that 5. I like that. I like that. I like that. So if we can get the inversion of this whole thing, that would be pretty neat. There's a small inversion here, but you know. Or do we want to sink into that 5? That would be cool. If we can sink into this and then reject, that would be pretty nice. That would be a nice move. And then get an iFVG back up. A+++ setup. Again, the reason for my bullish bias is because we inversed a 4-hour fair value gap strongly. As you can see here on the 4-hour, let's fix that. Yeah. So I am anticipating higher prices. Let's bring this out and just see how we're going to be positioned if we were to take this trade. Oh my goodness. It's a lot of volume today. Sheesh. We need 80 ticks here. Oh my goodness. We've inversed this small one. Let's see how much volume we have on YM here. Same. Still a lot of volume. 80. And then we do 160. Let's see if this wants to become an iFVG. So I'm still waiting, guys. No entries here. Just waiting to see what happens here. We do inverse this, I'm in there. Look at that. Traded exactly into the 5-minute, just like I prophesied. Okay, let's put this on there. On Russell. Whoa. So since my stop is gonna be quite wide, I'm gonna go in with like 2 cons. I don't know why this thing didn't. Okay. Come on, bro. Don't do this to me. Yeah, we've inversed that. I'm in there.
Order filled.
Shitty entry when I'm in there. That was a wide fair value gap that I'm not gonna cap. Put the stops at 80. You feel me? You put this right there. Put that right there, 60. Let's go. Let's remove that. Put that right there, iFVG. Stop loss below this level. Below the iFVG, 80 ticks. And then I'm going for 160 ticks, 1 to 2. Simple. Very simple, straight to the point. You feel me? Put my limit buy right there, limit sell. I mean, iFVG. Let's take a look at yeah, let's just see what happens here. Supposed to put that, yeah, that's right. Okay, so let's do this, and then let's bring that right there, like so. I'm looking for a continuation push to the upside. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. I want to still look at YM though. I want to still look at YM, see what's happening there. I don't know why these are different. Okay, YM is now about to inverse. Unless we had a different time frame inversion, but YM is now about to inverse. But who cares? We're in Russell. Let's pay attention to Russell. That's the trade we're in right now. Let's see what happens here. Once we clear those highs, I'm moving my stops to break even. So stop should be at break even technically at this point. Making this trade a risk-free trade. What I do want to see, like, price just push up a little bit, like just a little aggressiveness. Once we get that, moving my stops to break even. Yeah, just like that, just like that. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Just a little push, nothing too crazy. Then I move my stops to break even. Nope, that hard. Oh, we've taken out those highs, so technically stops should be at break even. Technically. I'm gonna move my stops. Yeah, I'm moving my stops to break even right there. Because that was supposed to be the entry candle, so I'm moving stops right there. And then now I'm just waiting for price to play out. I just need 160 ticks. That's a lot to ask for, but a lot of volume in the market today, so we should be able to get that. How much were you risking from the beginning? I'm risking about $800 on this trade. Going for a 1 to 2. So my entry was a bit late, like a little bit late. It was really supposed to be after this close. But it's not bad. Boom, boom. Let's push, let's push, let's push. Nice, nice, nice. Stops is actually at break even here. I should really like trim a little bit, you feel me? Like take one off, something like that. I really should, like, you feel me? Guys, if you took this trade with me, definitely trim. Don't be like me, bro. Like definitely trim something off. You feel me? Do it. I'm not gonna do it, but y'all should do it. Y'all should do it. Do you only use 5-minute FVGs? No, I also use 15 minutes. It depends on what price wants to give us. Today, price gave us that nice 5 minutes, so that's what I'm using. But if we had a 15-minute, I would have taken that. I would have used that. I'm gonna take one off, bro. I'm gonna take one off here. Or am I? I'm taking one off here.
Order filled.
Taking one off. And then I'm just gonna hold maybe for a bigger move. I should have just hell stop being a puss, nigga. Probably gonna take the rest off there when we get it. Why are you trading back down, bro? What are you doing? Look at this. YM gave the inversion. Taken off. Let's see, bro. Let's see. I see this 2-minute fair value gap. Yeah, so we've hit full TP. So if you're in this trade, you definitely should close. Like I'm like, bro, if I see the least retracement, bro, YM is cooking as well. She, I told y'all, I told you. I do this shit. I do this shit. Yeah, right. I'm out. Peace. I'm out. I'm
Order
out.
filled.
I'm out. Banger trade.